In this video, I want to talk about how you can copy trade crypto for the maximum returns. Now to do this, guys, we want to find a crypto trader. What I suggest you do first is you go to copy trader and then you want to find either the most copied right here or the highest gainers. And then you want to press view all. Then what you want to do is look through these and see if you can find anyone trading crypto. So go in here and look if they're trading crypto. And if you're having trouble finding people who trade crypto, what you should do is come up here and search for crypto, click see top results, scroll down until you find people, and then you want to look through these. Now these are people with crypto in their name, so most likely they're crypto traders. So if we go on this guy, we can see that this guy, the last 2 years has 200%. And year to date is minus 25. So this has been a bad year for him, but the past years have been pretty good for this guy. So you can see here that this guy is trading crypto. So if you want, you can copy this guy. Now you can scroll down a little bit and find similar traders and then try and look for other crypto traders and then copy trade those. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.